Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for returning, and I'd like to thank all my subscribers and the new ones that's come along so far. It's always a pleasure to make a video for you, as you know, and what it is today, today is my daughter's birthday and she's 30. She's my youngest, and in all my madness this week, I forgot to get her a card. I didn't forget that it was her birthday, I forgot to get her a card. So what I'm going to do today, I've got this one here and it says, "To a special daughter, happy birthday." I'm going to alter that and I'm going to alter it to the best of my ability. Now what I've done is I've die cut the numbers 30. So I've got 30th here, and let's see, I've got 30th here. So I've die cut those in pink, and I'm going to build them up, and I think I'm going to put them around on top of the flower here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Not think, I know that's what I'm going to do. I've got no choice now but to crack on. So if I just get these built up, again more finicky stuff that I have to deal with. And I don't think today's the day for relaxation. I'm supposed to be going out to dinner with her this evening. I guess I have no choice but to. So that's what we'll be doing this evening. We'll be having a lovely time. I haven't managed to look at the camera to see what settings I put it on. It was a mistake. Just turning knobs, and I usually have it on the M for manual, but when I put it on the M now, it's very dark, very dark. So I had to change it to AV. It seems to be okay on the AV. If I put the light on, oh, that's too bright. If I take it away a little bit, that's a lot better. So I'm still going to have to work on it as to what I've done wrong. She's a real girly girl. She loves pink and vibrant colours. One more for the H. I've noticed this week that I've been playing around with a lot of the miniature stuff. I suppose it gets like that sometimes. If you've got them, you just use them. And it has been very relaxing. But a time like now, this is not what you want to be doing. But hey ho, it's part of our craft world. Okay, that's done, and then we'll just do the zeros. Okay, so we just straighten them all out now, that they're all on top of each other. There we go, and get the 3 done. I really love these numbers. I like the shape of them. They're really cute. I'm thinking whether I should whether I should build that one up. Should we put that there? Build it up a bit more, or I think that's fine. Let's just put let's see. That looks good. And perhaps we'll put it's got a bit of glue on it, but I think I should put that in the middle, right there. I'll put another one here. The card is pretty enough, and it says all the lovely special things that you would like to say anyway, but I just thought I needed to add the 30th because this is a significant number you've reached. I think that's very pretty. think that's lovely. There. Stop that, Loyalty. Naughty. Do, 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 do. I think that looks rather pretty. Okay, so what else can we do now? I think I should bling it out a bit more. She does like her bling, I have to say. I think I'll put some more. To put one here. I think that will look quite nice actually. Put one on the 3. Let's have a look. That looks good. Just so they don't fall off, so I'm just giving them an extra bit of glue. Just so they don't fall off. In the center. Oh, I think that looks pretty. That does. I think that looks really pretty. Should we put? Great. To a special daughter, 30th, happy birthday. And I think I should put a couple of diamantes inside here as well. There we go. So it says, a wonderful daughter like you makes the world a better place just by being in it. Your smile is like a ray of sunshine, and the sound of your laughter always brings such happiness. That's why you deserve a birthday full of all your favourite things and where you feel loved and special, because that's just what you are. Happy birthday. And I think that's lovely. So that's that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also click the bell in order to be notified when I upload new videos. So thank you so much. Thank you very, very much for taking the time to come back to my channel, and take care. Have a lovely weekend and see you soon. Bye for now.